With COVID-19 positive cases almost touching the 9,000 mark in Assam, a 900-bed COVID-19 care hospital was inaugurated by Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma at the College of Veterinary Science Playground, Khanapara in Guwahati. Minister of State for Health Piyush Hazarika was also present at the inaugural ceremony. Health Minister Sarma informed that the hospital has individual rooms with attached bathrooms for the COVID-19 patients. Earlier, the Health Minister inaugurated a new testing lab at the Mahendra Mohan Chaudhary Hospital, Pan Bazar in Guwahati. The Minister informed that this is the 13th COVID-19 testing lab in Assam. He announced that 6 more such labs will be set up in the state soon. Former Mizoram Assembly Speaker and renowned church leader Upa Rokamlowa passed away in a hospital in Aizawl yesterday night due to prolonged kidney disorder. He was 79. He made his entry into politics in the early 1980s after he left the teaching profession and was instrumental to signing the historic Mizo Peace Accord between the centre and the erstwhile underground Mizo National Front in June 1986. He was elected to the State Assembly in 1984, 1987 and 1989 and became the Rural Development and Transport Minister in Laltan Hawla's cabinet. He is survived by his wife and 2 children. With most of the northeastern states reporting daily rise in COVID-19 positive cases, some spiking upwards of hundreds in a day, Meghalaya reported only 25 new cases for the month of June. While that is a commendable effort, report came in today that there is a mismatch in the number of BSF Jawans who tested positive for COVID-19 in Meghalaya, going by the figures provided by the Meghalaya government and the one shared by the Border Security Force. While the government stated that only 5 BSF personnel have tested positive for COVID-19, the BSF Meghalaya Frontier yesterday confirmed that 11 BSF troopers have tested positive for the virus. BSF spokesperson UK Nayal said 11 COVID-19 patients have been admitted, out of which 1 has been discharged after being recovered and 4 patients have been put under isolation after recovery from COVID-19. Earlier, Health Minister A.L. Heck informed that only 5 BSF personnel tested positive for COVID-19 in the state. The BSF might have included the data of those troopers who have tested positive in other states, but 5 BSF troopers as of now have tested positive for COVID-19 in Meghalaya, the Health Minister stated. In a shocking incident, a 45-year-old daily wage worker committed suicide in Tripura after allegedly failing to buy a smartphone for his daughter to attend online classes. Sukumar managed to get an ordinary phone for his daughter, a student of class 10, but she needed a smartphone for her classes. Police said Bhaumik's 15-year-old daughter had asked her father to buy her a smartphone so that she can attend the online classes, but he failed to provide it as his income had stopped due to the lockdown. Minister Paiwang Konyak had a short review meeting on the current COVID-19 pandemic at Wallow Guest House in Mon with the Konyak Union and the District Empowered Committee for COVID-19. He said 54 samples were tested and results are awaited, and also that they have received 100 pieces of confirmatory kit and sanitizing equipment. The minister also convened a meeting with the District Task Force for COVID-19 to review the situation in the entire district. Nagaland State BJP President Temjen Imna Along welcomed the Prime Minister's initiative of free ration to 80 crore people in the country today at the State BJP office in Kohima. Highlighting the initiative of the Prime Minister at the conference, the President maintained that Prime Minister has extended the PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana for a further 5 months from July till November 2020 for the distribution of free food grains to the poor section of the society. He also informed that the government will incur an additional expenditure of Rs 90,000 crore to provide 5 kg of wheat and 1 kg of gram every month to the poor. The food grains will be distributed to all the beneficiaries under the Targeted Public Distribution System, Antyodaya Anna Yojana and Priority Household Ration Card holders. Air passenger carrier Indigo has announced 25% discount in fare for doctors and nurses who have been battling COVID-19 pandemic from the front line, risking their lives. This discounted fare is exclusively for our doctors and nurses who continue to battle the pandemic from the front line, an Indigo official stated. A valid Medical Council of India or State Medical Council registration number for doctors has to be submitted at the time of booking and checking in. A valid Indian Nursing Council registration number or a degree or a diploma certificate number for nurses has to be submitted at the time of booking and at the time of check-in. With increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of the northeastern states are: Arunachal's tally rose to 195 positive, 128 active, 66 recovered and 1 death. Assam's tally rose to 8,956 positive, 3,109 active, 5,832 recovered and 12 deaths. Meghalaya's tally stands at 55 positive, 12 active, 42 recovered and 1 death. Manipur's tally rose to 1,260 positive, 681 active, 579 recovered. Mizoram's tally stands at 160 positive, 34 active, 126 recovered. Nagaland's tally rose to 535 positive cases, 353 active, 182 recovered. Tripura's tally rose to 1,401 positive cases, 307 active, 1,093 recovered and 1 death. Sikkim's tally stands at 89 positive, 37 active, 52 recovered. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the Northeast stands at 12,651 positive cases, 4,661 active cases, 7,972 who have recovered, and 15 deaths as of July 2nd, 2020. From all of us here at NE8, stay strong and stay safe.